Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a fixed fee for issue via the Budgets plugin. Okay, so firstly you have to go to a project where the Budgets plugin is enabled into the project settings. Okay, so here it is. Afterward, into the project itself and the settings, there will be a billing and budget tab. So please click here. Alright, so here into the billing type, please select this one, issue flat rate. And into the budget, please select issue fee. Afterward, save the changes. Alright, so let's go to issues. So you can edit an existing issue or open a new one. So now we are going to try with an existing one. So we see onto the right side there is a billing and budget section. So when you edit it, we see that there is issue cost and budget. Okay, we'll set to be 1000. Okay, so yeah, we update it. And now we have issue cost and everything else set. And if we create a new issue, it is similar. So it is testing issue for setting the fixed fee for issue via the Budgets plugin. Alright. So we create, and then it is actually absolutely the same. So we edit the billing and budget section on the right and put some cost here, for example 150, and a budget of 2000. It is optional to set not billable and expense. Okay, so we update it, and now yeah, we should have, and we have a fixed fee for issue via the budgets. So this is for this specific issue. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thanks again for watching, and bye bye for now.